Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup non-profit bookkeeping exports from QBO, full guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks Online and log in to your account. Navigate to the Reports section in the main menu. Select the type of report you want to export, such as profit and loss or balance sheet. Set the date range for the report to ensure you have. Click on the Run Report button to generate your desired report. Once the report is displayed, locate the export icon, typically found at the upper right corner. Click on the export icon and choose the format you prefer, such as Excel or PDF. Save the file to your local device in a designated folder for easy access. Repeat this process for any additional reports you wish to back up. Next, consider backing up transactions within your database. Go to the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Export Data from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of data you want to export, including lists or transactions. Follow the prompts to complete the data export process. Make sure to save these files in your designated backup folder. Regularly scheduled backups are recommended to ensure you have the most current data. Consider using a cloud storage solution for extra security and accessibility. Confirm the exported files are intact and organized for future use. This process will help you maintain the integrity of your nonprofit bookkeeping records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.